Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can convert your image to cartoonish or the enemy effect. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the website of the Vidnoz AI website, and then we have to create our account. And after account creation, simply we have to scroll down. As you can see, you will get the option AI tools option. So let's click on the AI tools option, and after that, you will get a lot of AI tools here. Simply we have to scroll down. We have to click on this option AI Studio Ghibli filter. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, we will be redirected to the editing mode. Now what we have to do, as you can see the example here. For example, we have to click on the upload image, and then we have to choose the image, that which image we want to add. For example, I'm going to choose a random image. So let's click on this. We are going to upload this image, and I'm going to click on the open here. And as you can see, the image will be uploaded. We have to wait for a few seconds until it's done. It's up to your device configuration and your internet speed. So I'm going to upload this image again. So the image is uploading. We have to wait for a few seconds again. So as you can see, now the image is uploaded. Now simply we have to click on the change now, and after clicking on the change now, we have to wait a few seconds again until it apply the results, and after that you will be able to use it, and after that you will be able to download this. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.